The AP Chinese and AP Japanese Language and Culture exams are administered on Windows PCs, Chromebooks, and Mac computers using an exam application that's installed on testing computers before exam day. This video will walk through how to install the exam application and complete readiness checks on Windows PCs. In March, AP coordinators were sent an email with the link to install the exam application on each testing computer. To install the exam application, open your internet browser and enter the link you received from the AP program. Click Download for Windows. Next, go to your Downloads folder and locate the .exe file. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator, and a pop-up will open. Click Yes, and the Install Shield wizard will launch. Click Next. Click Install at the bottom of the Ready to Install the Program screen, and the installation will begin. When the installation is complete, click Finish at the bottom of the Install Shield Wizard Completed screen. After clicking Finish, restart the computer. You successfully installed the AP Chinese and AP Japanese exam application. To open the exam application, locate and double-click the ETS workstation icon. When you first open the exam application, you'll be prompted to run a readiness check. You'll first enter and submit your school code. Confirm that the information listed is correct for your school and select Continue. On the readiness check screen, click Run All Required Checks. If you have students testing with accommodations, more information is in the Setup and Administration Guide that was sent to the AP coordinators in March. After you click Run All Required Checks, the exam application will walk you through a series of display and audio checks. Use the headsets that students will use on exam day to ensure they are working properly. When all the checks have passed, you will be able to click on Continue. If any checks fail and you're not able to resolve them, contact ETS Technical Support. This completes the readiness check for this computer. You can run a practice exam, or you can close and reopen the exam application when you're ready. The Launch Exam button won't be active until your school's scheduled exam date. Within 5 days before the scheduled exam administration date, you'll need to rerun the readiness check on each computer. After the exam application is installed on all testing computers and the readiness checks are complete, you should log into the administrator console to view the readiness status of each computer. You should do this as soon as the exam application is installed, and again within 5 days before the exam when you run your final readiness check. To open the administrator console, open your internet browser and enter the administrator console link from the email sent to the AP coordinator in March. On the home page, under AP Exam Monitoring, click View My School. Enter your school code and your AP registration and ordering access code and click Submit. You'll now see a detailed report of your school readiness status. The School Readiness Status screen provides a view of all your testing computers and which devices have passed or failed the readiness checks. For more information about installing and administering the AP Chinese and AP Japanese exams, go to collegeboard.org/apcj-examadmin. This page has updated information and resources to support you, including the Setup and Administration Guide. For technical support, contact ETS Technical Support staff.